going on?
We've reached the wall.
They opened the gate. We are in.
Can't hit me. I'm too low.
On the far
Stupid.
west side?
Get sucked.
We've
Get
reached the
sucked.
wall. We're on the wall.
The guy suck.
Guys at that breach sack, have all ran back. They just found out there's another
Gonna die
breach.
there.
They just found out they have completely abandoned it. That wall, that
Guys,
breach
they've
there is
abandoned
abandoned.
this side.
I know,
There's one breach.
One of the two holes is now fully abandoned.
Guys, we
Get on
could
top of
move
the
in.
wall.
They've abandoned it.
It is fully abandoned.
Everyone
I am
there, tell
not
them,
kidding.
everyone there, tell them. Push it! Push it!
No, we got another breach. We're on the walls. We're on the walls.
Get push towards
We're
the
on
breach.
the
Push
wall.
towards
This
the
looks
breach.
like it's GG, Maximo.
Hop on. We don't care about this one.
Yeah.
Go. Let's go.
You can jump over the
Okay,
gap
get on the
and
walls,
then
get on the
space.
walls.
Oh,
Because they have
watch it
completely
like
abandoned
Omelets
that other
here.
breach
Get
with
your
the two
food,
holes.
boys. Omelets here.
Well, go for the corner. Go for the corner.
Here, take
shit,
this. Put it in the breach.
Watch out. Come back to the stairs. Come
Stop.
back
Run
to the
Put
up
it-
stairs.
along the walls. Just run
put it
around.
in the
Don't
gate.
die on the walls. Just run
Get the
around.
spears, get the spear.
Run around.
Get the spears,
They're
guys.
all here. They're all here.
They're all here. Just run around. Keep running.
We finally pushed in. I finally got the guys in the center to push in.
Good. You stay there. You push them
It's
because
okay.
we
We're just buying time at a minimum.
we got all the people in here.
Careful.
Shit. You have to be a Thane. You have to be a Thane.
Because they're too low. If they're stabbing too low.
Okay, they're not
This
wanting
is
to
too
push
tight.
any further because of the fact it's dark. and
Yeah, me and you, bro. Me and you.
Yeah,
Why
the
are
remnants
you
are
looking at
completely
us like
abandoned.
this? You
Lost.
built
They don't
it.
know what the hell they're
Hey,
doing.
hey,
Just
Andrew.
on the top of that stairs. Hold that stairs.
You're not supposed to be up there.
Andrew,
You know what we have?
We're just
Let me go get your present. You ever heard of
We're
burning
distracting
oil?
So many.
Oh.
Can you move?
I'm gonna fake them out with a burning oil pot. If I can find it.
Calm down.
Don't kill your spirit too fast.
Yo,
Okay,
don't move.
Time to push the main force as well.
Because we control this wall as long as we
I
control
cannot
this,
move that.
this staircase.
How can I move?
I'm coming round because there's nothing happening over here. The guys. it's gonna be
They're gathering up at a random's homestead that's been walled in. They're all gathering up there. I think they're lost.
Shot. Okay, that's gotta be.
Does anyone have food?
Hold the
Hank,
top.
do you have food?
Yes, I have food here. Let's go, let's
We need an
go,
oil
run,
pot down here
go.
or something.
They're gonna push.
Go,
We're gonna have to back
go,
off.
run, go.
They are gonna push.
They're gonna
They're
push.
definitely gonna push.
Kind of funny how many people
Here, hold here, hold here.
take me out
fighting again inside.
Get this thing right there. This thing.
Stairs are back.
Yeah, I see.
Thing with this thing. Hold on.
Oh,
No, we're alive, but it's barely.
Keep it. Rotate. Keep it.
oh, rocks on us.
Real Earth.
Oh, behind us.
Can't hit him. I can't hit him because he's too low.
Coming out. They're coming out.
Got up shot.
Keep it. Just died.
Knees, they can't hit
Fucking-
you.
the fucking
They can't
spear.
hit you. All you.
Gonna die.
Move. Fuck,
Hold
stand
on, I
there
don't have
like.
any food.
Help.
Dead.
I have food,
One-
but I can't.
We wipe them on the bottom, kind of.
Some of them are dead at top.
I'm gonna get better. We're still alive up here.
Yo, Chief, can you hear me?
Who needs food? Who needs food?
Who's right needs food?
You know what, Chief? You're a dead man, man.
You're in the fire, bro. Okay, we're pushing back up.
Push in. Go.
Why did people leave?
I think we just need
Fight your way up, lads!
Go.
My
There's
son,
one spear guy on the right side, just climb, try to climb up. Climb into it.
They're gonna open this gate.
Yo, you're blocking, move, Saldo, please.
My bad.
I think we need everyone there.
Is there another way up?
There's a
Yeah,
lot
how
of
do we
them.
get
There's a
across?
lot
Are
of
we
them there.
broke the way
Cultured. If they open that gate, we're dead.
Coming out. Even if we
Guys,
get cut out,
use the cart to cross. Use the cart to cross. Someone take this cart off me.
Who needs health?
That's a good shout. That's a
You
good
can
shout.
sprint.
Demon has
across
food.
there.
If anyone needs food, Demon has food. Demon has food.
You can sprint. Hold shift. Hold shift. You can sprint across.
Which side is the
Calvin, grab the cabbage.
Wall breaches.
Far west, far west. But just how it
Okay.
could be.
Okay, Zach, Luca, and Calvin, we are defending this shit. We are not letting
Guys might be coming, Mom might be coming up the stairs.
You guys are falling down at
Pull him back. Pull back.
We should pull down, run for the breach. Probably focus on the breach.
Oh shit, they're on the wall.
It's an extra helmet. I need a helmet.
Okay, on the stairs, on the stairs. Let them push it. Let them push it.
I need a helmet. Does somebody have an extra helmet? Shield wall, everyone, shield wall. Shield wall, hold the stairs. Anyone who needs food, you got food here,
Oh fuck, there's a fuck that.
No, you don't! Harvest the meat! Harvest!